Time. No. Oh, let go. You see this finger? See this thumb? See this fist? You better run. Really? Are you mocking me? No mocking Dad. Okay. It's quiet time. We're watching a show. We're watching a show. We already played today. It's relaxation time. Oh, the dog wants to play too now. You got him going too. Really? Funny. You fold him. You're not a squeaky toy. You're not a squeaky toy. You're not a squeaky toy. You're not a squeaky. Whee! You throwing it like I threw the toy? Silly boy. Hey? What'd you do today? There was a note on the door from the neighbor kids. Because it's nice out, they ride their bikes. They said you were yelling at them again. You can't yell at the neighbor kids. Is that what you were doing to them? They ride up and down the street. And the note said, keep your bird quiet. So can you keep it down a little when they're out there riding? Please? I think it'd be courteous. You like courtesy, don't you? Do you want them yelling back at you? Where's your manners? Yes, you do have manners. You have plenty of manners. What, do you think that scares them when you do that? They've been in here and held you. And you're going to scream at them. Oh. Really? What else do you really think? You don't like Mondays? Yeah? No way. Yes. I understand. You feel better now? You got it all out? Yeah? Knuckles? All good? Much better, right? Got that off your chest. You're such a good boy.